Hi guys, let's see how to remove line breaks in Google Sheets. So let's say we have a column which is consisting of multiple line breaks. Here there are 2 line breaks, 1 line break, okay, and we don't want line break. So in adjacent column, what we can do, you can just double click on it and use substitute function. Now select the first cell value, then what needs to be replaced, what needs to be substituted will be written in the second parameter, because you can see text to search for, that means this cell, search for what we are searching and what we are replacing with. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just type char 10. Okay, this means the line break. Char 10 is line break, and then put another comma and we will replace it with nothing. Okay, if we want to replace it with a space, we can type this, type a space character. Otherwise, if we just want to replace them with nothing, we will type like this, close it, hit enter. Okay, and that's it. Now you can see that all the cell values are in same line.